Hi editors, today I will show you this auto connect nodes. If I have three text, if I have to connect these three text to multi-merge, we always connecting like this, yeah. But in this plugin, we should to select only, and then after this connect now, automatically connected, yeah. If I have like image plane 3D and I want to connect this to background node to image plane 3D, we should to grab three image plane 3D, then after again we should to connect manually, yeah. Just we should to select, then after connect, automatically connecting. How you can use this plugin depend on your creativity. That's it, and this plugin is free. Link is in a description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video like this.